Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change your Dash Cam firmware version on a 7-my M300 Dash Cam. So as you see, I already have the Dash Cam in my hands, and all you need to do, just make sure you plug it in with mini USB cable to your charger, and then have a phone with 7-my application installed. So then it should set up a guide to connecting with your dash cam. Then go into the top right of your corner at the three dots, click it, and then scroll to the very bottom. Once you will see the about section, just click on it, and then the second option is dash cam firmware version. As you will see, there's all of the numbers with the dash cam firmware version. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.